Please subscribe to our channel FNF Bakes and tap the bell icon to get notified about every video.